Okay, Sounds of Decay 3.
This is Svartkonst. May the night fall. Once again, we travel to Sweden. The band is Svartkonst, which consists of multi-instrumentalist Rickard Tornquist, who records everything on the albums. But it looks like there is his live band, which includes 2 guitars, a bassist, and drummer. This is Svartkonst's third record since Tornquist established the moniker back in 2012. This is prime blackened death metal, a sound that sort of swirls the best of the Sunlight Studio buzzsaw death metal sounds of Grave and Entombed with blackened Swedish goodies like Dissection and Sacramentum. Guttural grunts, warm bass tones, riffs for miles, and plenty of specter-chasing homage to the Dark Lord. It's obvious that Mr. Rickard has done his time studying the best from his native land, evidenced by how quickly these 10 songs flash by, demanding multiple listens.
We'll start with May the Night Fall. An icy, dissonant guitar is soon wrapped in a warm, groovy bass line to marvelous effect, unhurried and full of hooks. Tension builds swimmingly, double bass is smartly engaged, and so the song yo-yos between heavy and the groovy over the course of 5 minutes. Filth Worship is another saber-toothed riff monster, very much in the vein of early Entombed. Guitar-wise, he shows a knack for adding just the right tritony fill at just the right time. Finally, there's Haunt Me, kicking off with piano reminiscent of those early possession-obsessed Marduk albums, then unveiling a hard-charging riff that just bounds from the walls, eventually shifting to a crushing slow tempo and back again. This may be the strongest cut on the album, offering everything we love about Sweden with the exception of maybe IKEA furniture.
Which we don't want to talk about right now.
We just bought some. Yeah. So let's play a song. This is May the Night Fall.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.